Hello, my desktop publishing students. All right, so what we're going to do here, we're not going to do a lot of formatting, but you're going to create 6 charts. So it's mainly learning how to place them and learning going over the different parts as a review. Now, point number 2 says change to the summary sheet. We're on the summary sheet, so that's fine. And now the range that it tells you to select, B12 to F15, does not make sense to me. So I'm going to say we're going to click in cell A9, hold down your shift key and click in E12, A9 to E12. So make a change in your notes, okay, A9 to E12. All right, and it asked us to create a 3D stacked column chart. So we went here to columns and bars, and we want a stacked column chart. Okay, 3D stacked column, I think that's what it said. 3D stacked column, there it is right there. That's what we want, okay? And then it said the chart title will be First Quarter Winnipeg A. So click here and put in first quarter. First quarter, and then we put in a hyphen. And we put in Winnipeg A. Oh, I'm missing my first. Yeah. Okay, first quarter Winnipeg, and I'm going to highlight it, Shift End, and I'm going to make it size. Don't think I'm going to go to 20. I think I'll go about 18. All right, and we could put a color on it. Doesn't matter what color. I'm going to go with burgundy. Okay, so we've got the title on the chart that we were asked to do. And now add a second line to your chart. Okay, so now click on your title and your inside square, and then press End, and now press Enter and type in there chart 1. And go Shift Home. And let's make it, we don't have to have it size 18. Let's make it size 12. Or maybe size 14. Size 14. Nah, it's pretty large. Let's go make it size 12. Okay. Wait, I didn't have anything highlighted, so hold on here. Select it and make it size 12. Okay, that's good. That's what we want. We want to read chart 1. Now it says move the chart to approximately A4 to F26. A4, so drag it over to A4. Oh no, hold on. I skipped out a step. Okay, it says delete the legend. Okay, so here's the legend. We're going to delete the legend. And then it said show a data table with legend keys. Okay, you're already familiar with that. So you're going to go to add chart element, data table with legend keys. All right, that's good. And then it says click on the move button. So we want to click on the move button, and we want to move it to an object in, and we want to move it to the chart sheet. So click on charts and say OK. And so now we've moved it over to the charts section. And now it says A4 to F26. All right, so it's making it bigger than what I thought, but that's okay. F26. Oh, that looks pretty big. Oh well, we'll try it. Okay. A4 to F26. All right, and now click on your spreadsheet and save. Go Control S to save. This time it tells us to copy the chart. So copy the chart. So click on it, go Control C, and click off it and go Control V. And so we have exactly the same chart, but this time it says change the chart to a 3D pie. Okay, so we're going to right click and we're going to go to change chart type to a 3D pie. Okay, so here's our 3D pie, and we've got say OK. and there it is as a 3D pie. So now it says add data labels best fit. All right, so we're going to go to design. We're going to go to add chart element, data labels, best fit. All right, and now let's go to our data labels. They're definitely too small. We've got to go home here, up them in size so that they are readable. And I think we should bold them. That's a little bit better, and we should maybe put some fill on them. So let's right click, go to format data labels, and put a light fill. So let's go to fill here and choose a solid fill, and actually that pink is okay. All right, and of course you could see this one if we needed to, or you felt you needed to, you could move it up and your leader line is there. The other ones fit the pieces of the pie pretty good. And now on the data labels, it says, click off here on the data labels, it says that we should add we go to options here, and that we should add the category name, not the value, but the percent, category and percent. All right, and it said adjust the labels as necessary. So I'm going to click on this one here. I think this one still could fit on here. Yeah, that's okay. And intermediate care here could definitely come up here. And traditional care maybe down a little bit. And now I can come down some more here. And independent care. So I think I'm going to click on your chart title, move it over here just because of the label there, and we can get the label up here. Okay, so you can read all of those well now, so that's good. And anything else that we had to do here? Oh, we were to change this chart 1 to read chart 2. So take that out and put in a 2. All right, and anything else on this one? No? Okay. So click here on your spreadsheet, save your work. All right, and now chart number 2 came down below here in the model that we had to look at originally. So let's leave it there and save it. All right, the next one, it says go to the summary sheet. So we're going to go to the summary sheet and create a third chart using the range B20 to F23. Okay, again, that's off. I'm going to say B17 to E20. All right, so we're going to select B17 to E20, and we are to make a clustered column chart. So go to Insert, and we're going to go to Clustered Column. All right, and so now, this time, it says edit your title to read First Quarter Winnipeg B. So we're going to have First Quarter hyphen and Winnipeg B. Okay, and now we're going to press enter and type in chart 3. Okay, and shift home, and I made it size 12 the last time, so I'm going to make it 12 again this time, and I'm still going to make it burgundy, and then I'm going to take the first line and I'll make it burgundy, and we made it size 18 so that we're consistent. All right, what else did it ask us to do? Okay, move it to the chart sheet. Okay, so we're going to click on move, and you're going to move it to the object in the chart sheet. So we're going to choose charts and say OK. And now we have it in here, and I'm going to line it up because it'll go on the next page. All right, so here I'm supposed to switch the row column. Okay, so watch, we've got it right here, so click on it. Note that you had independent care, transition care, intermediate care, and advanced care. Now watch, we're going to switch the row column. Now you have revenue, expenses, and profit, and then the independent care, transitional care, intermediate care, and advanced care becomes your legend. Now, it said add data labels only for the advanced care. So the advanced care is purple. So I'm going to click on the purple one. And it said add data labels. Okay, so I want to go to add chart element, data labels. And I'm going to go with inside end. Inside end. Okay, and now I want to click on those labels, and I want to go to label options. Can I rotate it from there? No, I'm going to go here. Okay, and I want them to be rotated, and I want to rotate them all 270. So now I've turned them 270, but I have to put a fill on them. So solid fill. Alright, so there I have the labels put on for you. Now they're quite large, but I can make this chart bigger, and there, they fit in well there. Alright, and position the data label for revenue, advanced care in the vertical column. Yes, I did. So if you did want to move this here, and you want to click here, or pardon me, click here, and bring it down a bit, yes, you could. Okay, you can put it there if you wanted to, in more in relation to those ones. That would be fine. Okay, so that's good there. And now it says click on the value axis. Okay, so click on the value axis, and it said change the major unit to 100,000. So change the major unit to 100,000. So let's go to your axis options and change the major unit to 100,000. Okay, so we're going to put in 100. All right, and now you should see here's your 0, 100, 200, 300,000 instead of putting the 50 in. All right, it says copy chart 3 and paste it in cell G28. Okay, so I'm going to click on this chart here and go Control C and paste it in G28. Seems a little off. I'm going to put it here in J. Now I might be off, but we'll fix it after if I am. Okay, so that's now this, I should have changed this to chart number 4. I forgot to do that. Change it to number 4. Okay, so now it asked us to change this chart that we copied and pasted to a pie chart, a 2D pie chart. So change chart type, and we want to go to pie, and we want a 2D pie chart. All right, and it asked us to include a legend, which we already have, add data labels best fit. So we're going to go here to design, add data labels, and best fit. All right, and it said use dollar values only, and that's what we have, but I think we should make them a little bit bigger and a color fill with them. So let's go here, click on your data labels, and we're going to go home, size them up. Okay, that looks good. And actually I don't have to put a fill in with them on the white. It looks pretty good. But if we did want to put a solid fill in and go change our color to something like that, that's fine. We could do that. And I also think that if we bold them, that'll be better yet. Okay, I'm just about out of time on this one here. All right, so I'm going to stop there and save your work, and then I'll come back and do part 2.